Oh, I like your water spot, dude. That's really nice. I like how you got that, like, right there. That's nice, man. I like that. Alright guys, we just met up with a big group of riders. We're going to go head out in a minute. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the intro. But yeah, we're just waiting on the guys. I don't know why he dabbed. What the heck. Alright, we'll be out of here in a minute.
What's up, Joey?
This guy is stuffing fries into his freaking helmet. And the fries are, yeah, the fries are falling out onto the road and one just hit me. So yeah, we have hit the streets. It's going to be an awesome day. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little intro. I'm going to try to get some footage of all the guys doing wheelies and stuff. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to do some wheelies on this thing. Figured I'd bring the FZ07 out for a change. But it's going to be a good day. This is a really nice ride. I'm having a lot of fun. Why'd you put it down? Well, being a wheelie then. I don't know. Well, we're gonna eat some pizza or something, so we're gonna do that. It's a nice little calm ride, not too much going on.
I'm like, oh no!
Freaking clutch lever came off.
I can't do it separately as long as no more wheelies.
Just zip tie it, it'll be fine.
Is that what you fucking needed?
Oh,
needed a bolt for?
Yeah, dude, you might as well do everything.
This one doesn't have enough, but this one's like on there good. Because the problem is with this.
I was smiling. Hey, I was smiling.
Yeah, I'm not smiling.
I'm like... There's the cop right there. Yep. Good idea. Well, I just noticed my GoPro died, which is kind of disappointing because Justin just freaking jumped us off the DRZ. It's pretty sick. Maybe he'll do it again. Only if he's a man. Gonna get off my bike for this shot this time. Jesus. Your turn. So what about your fork seals? All right, I'll see you guys later. Good riding with you guys. All right, it was a good time riding with the guys, but I gotta head home and get some stuff done and also kind of get this video stuff together. I gotta go to work in the morning. So it was time to quit, but good ride with the guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't talk too much. I just feel that I'm so boring when it's just me talking, as most of you have already clicked off the video by now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. I'll try to keep the videos coming, but I'll see what happens. I'm doing the best I can. Doing the best I can.